Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus. Welcome all civil engineering students. In today's session, we are going to continue the topic physical properties of minerals, in which we are going to discuss about the parameter luster. Luster is the nature of shining on the surface of a mineral under reflected light. Luster is the nature of shining on the surface of a mineral under reflected light. Luster varies considerably depending upon the amount and the type of light reflected. Based on the type of shining, luster is designated as metallic luster and non-metallic luster. Metallic luster is the type of shining that appears on the surface of the mineral, whereas non-metallic luster is named considering the type of shining that appears in some minerals only. If we see the table, non-metallic luster description and minerals. Vitreous luster is exhibited by a few minerals such as quartz, calcite, feldspar, means shining like a glass. So vitreous luster means shining like a glass. Similarly, subvitreous luster, which is similar to vitreous luster but with less shining. When compared to vitreous luster, subvitreous luster has less shining. We can consider pyroxenes, especially agate is the mineral which belongs to subvitreous luster. Another luster is pearl luster, means its shining is like pearl. Best examples are chalk and muscovite are the minerals. Both exhibit pearly luster. Silky luster, which is another type of luster, means shining like a silk. We can consider asbestos as the best example. Resinous luster shines like a resin. Opal and agate are the minerals which exhibit resin luster. Greasy luster, of course, shines like a grease. For this, graphite and serpentine are the minerals which exhibit greasy luster. And on the other hand, adamantine luster shines like a diamond. Hence, garnet and diamond both are the minerals which exhibit adamantine luster. Earthy luster or dull luster means there will be no shining at all. For this, magnesite and bauxite are the best examples. Let us see the vitreous luster. Quartz is the best example. So it exhibits vitreous luster, which is similar to a drinking glass. Can see the picture how the quartz is exhibiting vitreous luster when compared to a drinking glass. Another mineral, galena, which is also showing metallic luster, which is just similar to a metallic wire. How a metallic wire shines, in the same way galena minerals exhibit metallic luster. Pyrite, another mineral which is also exhibit metallic luster similar to a metallic wire. We can correlate these two very clearly. Adamantine luster, best example, diamond. So, adamantine minerals possess a superlative luster, which is most notably seen in case of diamond. Such minerals are purely transparent. Dull luster, which is exhibited by kaolinite, can be seen very clearly, that dull luster in the picture. Greasy luster, opal, a variety in quartz which exhibits greasy luster. Pearly luster, muscovite for example, a mineral which exhibits pearly luster just like how a pearl shines. In the picture it is very clearly seen how the muscovite is exhibiting pearly luster. Resinous luster, amber, which clearly exhibit the luster resinous. Another one is gypsum, a variety. Satin spar is the best example, variety of gypsum, which exhibits a silky luster. How the silk, shines, which is very closely observed in case of satin spar, a variety of gypsum mineral. Schiller luster, this can be seen very clearly in case of labradorite, which is a variety of plagioclase feldspar. This occurs when light is reflected between layers of, the labradorite. Waxy luster, which can be seen in jade or chalcedony, both are varieties in quartz. This is jade mineral where we can see the waxy luster similar to wax, how it shines. Some of the minerals with the metallic luster: graphite, galena, bornite, chalcopyrite, chromite, pyrite, magnetite, hematite. All these minerals exhibit a metallic luster. Minerals with a non-metallic luster, where the hardness of the mineral is considered as less than 5.5. That means if a mineral which has hardness less than 5.5, which exhibits non-metallic luster. Example: talc, gypsum, chlorite, kaolinite, cinnabar, biotite, muscovite, lepidolite, serpentine. These are the minerals which exhibit non-metallic luster whose hardness is less than 5.5. Similarly, non-metallic luster can be seen in case of calcite, barite, sphalerite, malachite, fluorite, kyanite, apatite, hematite, goethite, where non-metallic luster can be seen. Here also the hardness of all these metals recorded as less than 5.5. And some of the minerals which shows non-metallic luster where the hardness is more than 5.5. Rhodonite, actinolite, hornblende, augite, microcline, plagioclase feldspar, sillimanite, alvine, epidote, where the hardness is more than 5.5, even though these minerals exhibit non-metallic. Quartz family, where milky quartz, rose quartz, amethyst, chalcedony, Feline, chud, agate, jasper, whose hardness is 7, and all these quartz family members exhibit non-metallic luster. And also starolite, tourmaline, garnet, beryl, topaz, corundum also exhibit a non-metallic structure. Thank you.